Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irfan Fatihi bin Zulfakar and this is video presentation for AQU187. For question number 1, I have choose Acacia tonsa. Acacia tonsa are translucent copepod species that can be found in most of the world's estuaries and coastal waters. Many plankton are common to estuarine ecosystem and can live in a wide range of temperatures and salinities. To culture the Acacia tonsa, first we need salt water. Put some salt water in the water container around 35 parts per thousand, and then we need a live pods. And then we need something to feed them, so we need Copenhagen food. First, put salt water in another water container. Make sure it's about half and quarters full. Next thing to do is add a few drops of our feed until our water slightly turn to green. And then put the live copepod in the water container. And the last one, put the airflow resources into the live copepod, but make sure do not put the live copepod direct to sunlight. Now we proceed to next question. For question number 2, I choose Moina affinis. To culture Moina affinis, first we need a few Moina. Put the Moina in the glass of water. It is difficult to see them because they are very small and tiny. Next, we need water container. You can use any type of container that is suitable. It is better if the container is transparent. Add some water into the container and make sure the water is half full. After we put the water, we add a Moina into the container. To prepare feed for Moina, we need yeast because yeast only produce carbon dioxide and not alcohol. Take some yeast and put into the glass. After that, put some water into the glass, and it is better to use warm water because warm water can make the yeast active. After that, stir the water container using a spoon. And then leave the yeast solution for 5 minutes. And then we need to filter the yeast solution because we only want the yeast solution and the excess yeast needs to be separated. After that, put the filtered yeast solution into the container that have Moina. Pour into 2 or 3 tablespoons of the yeast solution. Lastly, we need to close the water container containing the Moina to prevent other insects from coming and laying eggs.